Hello friends, good morning everyone. Namaskar. So right now I'm just in front of the Radha Syam temple, which is located in Bishnupur, which is one of the most beautiful temple here, which is also located in front of the Mirin Moi temple, which is one of the most ancient and oldest temple in all temples, stand as a testament to the Bishnupur ancient heritage construct in 1997 by the Mala king Jagat Mala, and is mark a significant milestones in Bishnupur history after the capital was shifted from the Pradhampur to Bishnupur at that time, and this temple is dedicated to goddess Durga. So right now comes from the Radha Syam temple. Right now I started to explore the Radha Syam temple. So Radha Syam temple, which is located in Bishnupur, is dedicated to Radha Krishna, which was built in the year of 1758 by the king Chaitanya Singha in Ekratna style. So this temple was built in a square plan consisting of dome-shaped shikhar and depicting floral geometry and depictions of the life from the Puranas. So it's also a really very beautiful temple. Here I found myself here. I am also trying to find myself about my life journey of the lives, the aims, goals, everything from every places in India. It's my passion to travel lots of historical place, ancient monuments, ancient temples, the current functioning temples. These are my passion to explore the country of every corner in India. So I am following that. So one of the best experience which I also got in Bishnupur, there are lots of temples, because Bishnupur is also known as the temple city of India because of the lots of temples. Already I visit about like Jor Bangla temple, Radha Syam temple, Panchratna Syam Rai temple, the Panchratna Syam Rai temple, the Ras Manch temple, along with the lots of temple still I have to visit, like Lalji temple, Madan Mohan temple, and Madan Gopal temple, and Ma Mirin Moi temple still I have to visit, and like I have to also visit some another monument like the also so many monuments in the Bishnupur located here. So let's see the beauty of this place. Really it's a very greeny place also, and some small monument also built in the temples of the Bishnupur. So there is a goddess idols of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityanand Prabhu in this idol. So let's see who has started to chant the Maha Mantra, like Hare Krishna Hare Rama Maha Mantra introduced at that time. So really it's a great moment for me. And even I was also in Mayapur. I visit the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navdeep Dham, which is located in Nadia district of West Bengal, and Mayapur, which is also popular for the Vedic temple of the Planetarium, which is one of the largest ISKCON temple of the world and headquarters. So once again, thank you so much.